Well, I learned a lot throughout this ELP program. Uh, the first thing which I have learned, the coordination between different people from different area, and we have to coordinate with each other so that we can learn to the maximum. So that is the most important thing, that we have coordinated with different people. Well, one thing which I have learned over here is the communication part, like how we have to communicate with the people. So as far as my work, profile is concerned with, I think I need to communicate in my colleagues or my peers or my subordinates in that way that they can understand it. Not only they will hear me, they will active listen to me. So that is the one of the most important thing. And in my personal life, I think that's going to help me big times. The reason why, because sometimes we want to communicate things to our family members, to our relatives, to our friends, but we would not be able to do the way we want to communicate. So that is the thing which I have learned over here, and I'm sure it's going to help me big times. I have learned a lot of things over here, and one of the most important thing which I have learned to communicate with the people, and that's exactly which I'm going to do in my office with my colleagues, peers or subordinates, or with my family members or my friends or my relatives. So that is the most important thing which I have learned over here. I liked the Sathi Haath Badhana. Like it's more like about the coordination between the people, to understand each other and to be on the right time, on the right place, was the most important thing about that activity. So I have learned a lot about that particular activity. So I liked Sathi Haath Badhana. Well, I think this is the first time I am attending such type of session ever throughout my graduation or whatever I have done till now. So it is going to be very different for me. I am very thankful to the V schools that they have organized, they have come up with the idea with ELP program, where we need to go out and we need to learn a lot of things. So in that way, yes, I can say that it's great to be the part of this program. I'm very friendly with the people, and earlier I don't know this thing, that I can be so friendly with the people and I can manage people. So that is the one thing which I have, I can find it out in myself that, okay, yes, I have this quality that I can, go friendly with the people, or I can coordinate with the different people. So that is the one thing.